Smiley Palette. Hi little artist, welcome back to Smiley Palette. Today we are going to draw and color a beautiful house with a rainbow and two trees. Let's draw the house first. I am drawing the roof. Let's draw the body of the house now. Look at this, we are having the door in the middle. Let's draw two windows. Look at the beautiful house. Let's draw a tree now. Draw with me. Drawing trees is very simple. We are gonna have another tree. This looks similar to our first tree. Wow, it looks amazing. It's time to draw a beautiful rainbow now. Let's draw it above the house. We can see rainbows right after it rains. Haven't you seen any rainbow yet? Rainbows are very beautiful. Time to bring our picture to life with colors. Let's color the rainbow first. Let's use red first. A rainbow has 7 colors. Color with me. Let's use orange now. Let's use yellow now. Let's use green next. Let's use blue. Let's use indigo now. Let's use violet now. Wow, we got a colorful rainbow. Let's color trees now. I'm gonna use green for leaves. Color with me. Let's use brown for the trunk. Let's color our house now. I'll color the roof red. Let's use yellow for the body. Let's use blue for the door. Let's use orange for windows. Wow! Look at our beautiful house with the rainbow and 2 trees. Thank you for drawing and painting with me today. Don't forget to subscribe me. See you next time, little artist. Bye.